So I thought I should document this part. It's really captivating. So among the features, one of my user asked that he suggested I add is a fee calculator. So if you look at Bridge Pay, so there's this fee section that says if you are making a payment of $1 to $50, I'm going to charge you $1. That's for online transaction. This amount to this amount will charge you. So he said that it's going to be nice. I just have a calculator that helps people calculate it. So I needed to get a plugin to do that, WordPress plugin. But before I could find a plugin, I already checked a couple of plugins. But because of the conditions that are needed, so range to so range, you need to now do +1. Then so range to so range, you need to do +2. Then so range to so range, you need to do +3. The computation might be so complex for me to get on the WordPress plugin. Then I thought of our dear friend ChatGPT. So I came to ChatGPT. Here are my conversation with ChatGPT. I'll show you one interesting thing. So this is my conversation with ChatGPT. See, I'll say, okay, I told you that I want to write an HTML code. I want you to write an HTML code for me. Then he says, sure. What kind of HTML code would you like me to write? Do you have a specific task or project in mind? Let me know and I'll be happy. Yes, I have. I want an HTML code to accept amount input. That's if it's between the range of 1 to 50, it should add $1 fee to it. And if the amount ranges from 51 to 150, it should add $2 fee. So it generated the amazing code for me. This is the code. So I copied the code. I went back to this stuff. Where is it? I went back to this paste. I pasted it. It's an HTML block. If you're a WordPress designer, you know this HTML block. So this is what it did. So this is the range. So this is the range. Let's use 45 and see. So 45 plus 1, that's supposed to be 46, right? Or let's use $45. So let's say someone wants to make a $45 payment online, and I'm charging the person $1. So I came here. That's going to be 46 now. So let's put $45, and when we calculate it, it's just only showing us the fee, $1 fee, right? So this is where the issue is. And I came by, I say, ChatGPT, how far now? This code, Isha explained for me. I say, great, you're welcome. He tell me you're welcome. I say, it's not displaying the total sum. It is giving out $1. The guy now say, I apologize for the confusion. Honestly, it's alright. The code I provided was just an example, and it only calculates the fee based on the input amount. It doesn't have blah blah blah. Osha sorrow. Then Isha generates me the new code. So I copied the code. Isha generate this code. Isha went back to test my code. I went back to my blog. I tested my code. Where is paste? I tested my code. Boom. So this is it. Now let us enter $45. So we are supposed to get $45 plus a $1 fee. If you look at this place, it says any amount within this range plus $1 fee. That's like 46, right? So I said calculate. It now even showed me fee $1. Total is now 46. I think I should also add one more thing. So it should now calculate it times the naira equivalent. No go there for. So I now told ChatGPT, you been see this interface not too fine like that too. Can you help me make the interface more sleek, classic, like all this polished UI that all these UI guys, product designers used to oppress me with on the internet? So I went back to it too. I said this worked perfectly. I will impress him. You're a genius. The guy can't blush. Can't they say thank you? I'm glad I could help. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any other question or request. Monique request wow. So let's try something else. Sure, what would you like to try? I want you to beautify the UI. UI stands for user interface of the above code to give a modern UI and sleek interface. My product designer, my press me amazing UI. Oh no, new classic product design. Osha, be me sure. I will be happy to help. Can you give me more details on how you like the UI to look? Blah blah blah. Colors. Why? Monique, I have a design inspiration. Let the interface be like that of Stripe checkout. Great, I can work with that. Here's an updated HTML code with modern sleek interface. Loberesima generate code for me. Mojo go be oba. Oba I do. My mama so be oba I do. Alright, Jackie, we code no kosha complete. màá ní pé kó generate again, so ó ti fẹ́ ó dàbí ó fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa generate again. Ẹ já máa wò. Kí ló sọ? Great, I will use Stripe Checkout as design inspiration. However, please note that this code we have so far cannot be integrated with Stripe Checkout as it requires different code and server-side integration. We can only use the design as inspiration. Is that okay? Ben, you? Yep, it's okay. Yes. Aha, Emma will magic. Hehehe. Okay, Emma will use Mama generate code. Shaggy. Okpo, mo feel ara mi bí ọba ìdun. Kutuwa. Sherry. Tọ́ gbogbo àwọn kóòdù ó dàbí ó senior mi báyìí àmọ́ já ṣàmà wò. Okay, it's going nice, it's going nice. I feel this thing. Maza, wọ́n tún fún mi ní dark interface báyìí pọ̀ senior programmer lè yí o. Ọmọ èmi ni mò ń kọ code báyìí o. Ẹ máa wò mí o. Ọmọ code wa fẹ́ pọ̀ o. Ó sì ń generate o. Ajá ṣàwò ìkan tó máa gbé jáde fún wa. Kíní máa tún break o. Ti tún break. Wàhálà. Tó bá ti generate code báyìí yóò break tó bá ti dé stage kan. Tó ẹ já ṣà copy èyí ká wo bóyá yóò ṣe ẹ já wo bóyá èyí máa ṣe copy and mo ti paste ẹ̀. Ẹ wo kò ní ṣe o. It's unexpected fatal error. Why? Code náà kò complete. Mo why tí code náà kò fi complete. Jẹ́ kí n wo kò complete. Jẹ́ kí n regenerate again. Ó dàbí kíní náà lágbára jù lọ. Náà ṣàjẹ́ kí ó generate complete this time because this looks like the third time that I'm generating this code. Wait, ṣé Yorùbá ni mò ń sọ látẹ̀kọ́? Wàhálà. All right. Gbogbo wọn ló ti ń ro mí o. N tí ń ṣe irú recording yìí. Bí mo ṣe ti gbé laptop mi sí what is lap in Yorùbá? Ìtàn. Gbogbo ẹsẹ̀ ló ti ń ro mí. Gbogbo ọwọ́ ló ti ń ro mí. I don't know this recording will take that long. I just hope this code's complete this time around. Ó dàbí èyí parí o. Ọlọ́run ṣeun. Ó ṣàní pé in this code I added bootstrap style to make the UI responsive. Ọlọ́run máa bless ẹ kó wá responsive náà ni. I use a card container blah blah blah. Máa wá ka later kí code ṣáà ti ṣiṣẹ́ ni mo ní kí copy o. Mo wá sí WordPress mi. Mo fẹ́ lọ paste code nísìn. Control A. Mo delete code tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Control V. Mẹ́ẹ̀dọ̀ ṣe rí fọ́ mi. Ó pọ̀ o. Ó dàbí fine díẹ̀. Mo kàn ní láti ṣe small tweaking of code. So let's use 45 again. And the fee is 1. And P. Kò máa ṣe o. Wàhálà. P. Kò ṣe o. Jẹ́ kí n wo. Kò ṣe. Kí ló dé kò fi wá ṣe? Ẹ jẹ́ kí n update. Time man lo WordPress dáadáa. Ẹ mọ this update. So jẹ́ kí n refresh again. Jẹ́ kí n lo 70. So if you look at the pricing range from anything between 50 to 150. You should add a flat fee of $2. So it has added the flat fee and let me say P. Ọmọ kò wá ṣiṣẹ́ o. Tọ́ má lọ complain fún ChatGPT pé kò calculate o. Jẹ́ kí n wo bóyá yóò respond. Má sọ it's not calculating. It's not calculating. Oh, but so it's not calculating if I press pay. And you can feel like you can wait control myself. Omo. Osha Timu the error is kind of I just need to put the appropriate prompt for it to be able to figure out what the error is. So I have to pause this. My hand and my lap is vibrating. I'm already shivering. I'm not so good with this recording. I'll continue the recording later.